he saying?
I couldn't make it out, Captain.
It sounded something like punching.
Well, maybe he's cold. The trash, you get on up to the stable. You can keep a better eye on the road from there. It's gonna need a doctor. Oh, that storm's gonna bust wide open again. That creek overflowed. Ain't nobody gonna get out of there now. Here, give me a hand with it. You want this under? Yeah. Come on. Good. Right.
This poor bird. This is the best shot I've ever had of a Mockingbird. Oh my God. Just whipping them all around. Go in the bushes with the blue jay. You're not super bird. Go in the bushes. My God. Holy shit, like a hurricane. Come on. He's chirping like a son of a gun, or he's eating the snow. I don't know what he's doing. Or she. Poor thing. What a wicked shot, though. She's right here. She's not bothered by me.